Replacing the rear wiper on a Skoda Fabia MK1 99 to 2007. As you can see, there's quite a bit of growth on my wiper. It seems to have built up over time as the car's been stood for a while. There's some quite pretty lichen on here. I'm quite liking that. It's nearly a shame to get rid of it. I'm pretty sure it won't work very well, so I'm not even going to try it because it might scratch the rear glass. But they're easy enough and cheap enough to replace, so that's what I'm going to do. The blade's mounted in the middle on a push-fit clip, which would easily break if you force it. So I'm going to spray some silicone lube in there first. You could replace the whole arm and wiper, and I'll put a link in the description for that. But to take just the wiper off, notice the wiper rocks backwards and forwards, and you can use this by tilting the blade out at one side and slowly run your fingers down, and the blade will pop off the mount. Here's the simple mounting pin. And the attachment clip on the wiper arm, which is a little bit delicate. You just got to be a little bit mindful of the plastic fork clips and not to yank it off if it seems to be seized on. Here's the OEM part number if you want a replacement with a similar item, but I'm going to use this new Bosch one. Which is a simple flexible blade type with a single connection in the centre. Putting the two blades together you can see the difference, with the Bosch one being a much simpler design, and I guess with less moving parts there's less to go wrong with it. To put the new blade on, you simply line up the centre pin, roll it round and push it into place. Just like that. Oh, and before I use it I better clean the glass up here. Don't want to damage the blade with this dry caked on green stuff. Now gently place the blade arm back on the glass and don't let it bang down with a spring, otherwise you might break something. All I need to do now is test it, and the job's a good one. Lovely, that's a lot better. My Uncle Bob will stop reversing into sheep now. Hope this helped you out, guys. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.